Hello matriculants and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I would like us to work on solving problems by making use of the proportionality theorem. Over here we are given this problem. As you can see, we have a parallelogram in the form of PSRQ. PSRQ. The instruction says calculate PO over OC if QB over BR is equal to 2 over 3. Calculate PO over OC if QB over BR is equal to 2 over 3. Okay, there's QB and there is QR. QB and QB and BR. QB and BR. Now, in analyzing this diagram carefully, you can see that we're given BC to be parallel to QS. BC is parallel to QS. Okay. That simply tells us that we can work with this triangle, triangle ROQ, triangle ROQ. Okay. In triangle ROQ, BC is parallel to QO, that is given. Now, that being the case, we can move on to a point wherein we will have to apply the proportionality theorem. In applying the proportionality theorem, we're simply going to say QB over BR is equal to OC over CR, which is also equal to 2 over 3. There is in proportionality theorem. So, over here we've applied the proportionality theorem. Now, this simply tells us that OC divided by CR on its own is equal to 2 over 3. Now, when you have something like this, it does not necessarily mean that OC is equal to 2 units, nor CR is equal to 3 units. As you can see, this fraction is expressed in its simplest form, meaning that the highest common factor has been taken out. That highest common factor could be 1, 2, 3, or some other natural number in this case. Right. So, that being the case, this tells us that OC is equal to 2A. I'm using A over there as a placeholder. You could use any other letter of the alphabet to be the placeholder over there. We also have CR being equal to 3A. Right. Let me write it over there. That's 2A, and then that is 3A. 2A and 3A. Now let us look at OR. So if OC is equal to 2A and CR is equal to 3A, it means that OR is equal to OC plus CR, which is 2A plus 3A, giving us 5A. So OR is equal to 5A units. Okay. Going back to that instruction, it says calculate PO over OC if QB over VR is equal to 2 over 3. We've already used that part. Now let's go back here. PO over OC. Okay, in this case we've got OR, we've got OC. Let's write this in this form. OR divided by OC is equal to 5A divided by 2A, giving us 5 over 2. Okay, OR over OC is equal to 5 over 2. But the instruction says calculate PO over OC if that is the case. Right. So let's go back to the diagram. We've got OR over there and there's PO over there. Now we have to ask ourselves this question. How is OR related to PO? Now we have to recall the basics which pertain to parallelograms. A parallelogram has got two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel and equal. On the other hand, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, meaning that PR bisect QS. So we'll just say PSRQ is a parallelogram that is given. Therefore, PO is equal to OR. The reason is that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, from there we can safely conclude that PO over OC is equal to 5 over 2. There you go. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you found this information helpful. For more useful and helpful information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at PP Maths and Science Lab. Thank you very much.